Okay guys, we're now going to learn about the list box. The list box is different from a drop-down box because it allows you to display multiple values at the same time and also allows you to select multiple values at the same time. Right now I have created a drop-down box for you called areas, which says please select all the areas in which you have experience. And then it lists 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options. Let's see how it looks like in the actual output. So let me run this. And here you can see it's actually a drop-down box with a lot of items in it. I want to change this so that it can list multiple items, and then we're going to learn how you can select multiple items. So first of all, in the select, you put a property called size. And you give it a value. Whatever value you give to the size is the value that it displays as the number of items to be displayed at the same time. So let's check this. Here's my old output, and as I refresh, here is my new output. But however, now if I hold Control or if I hold Shift, I cannot select multiple items. Now let's add a property over here called multiple, and we're going to give it a value of multiple, and this would allow me to have multiple selections done at the same time. Let's check it out. So now I'm going to click on accounting. I'm going to press and hold the Control key on the keyboard while I hit education. So this would allow me to select values out of sequence. If I want to select values in sequence, such as all the values from accounting to education, I can press and hold the Shift key and I can click on education, and all the values from accounting to education are going to be selected. So this is how you can go about selecting multiple values at the same time. Now what we're going to learn next is how to put a text area. So in order to put a text area, you need to have a text area element. So it doesn't come off an input, it doesn't come off a select, it rather comes from a text area. So these are the elements of a text area. So a text area needs to have a name. A text area needs to have number of rows, which will tell you how many rows it will have, number of columns, and that's exactly what creates a big, large, multi-line box for you. So let me show you how it actually looks like. So let me run this. And here's at the bottom is your text area. It in HTML5 you can actually drag it. You can override the default size. As you start typing, it takes all these rows and automatically gives you the scroll bar to work with. So these are the couple of elements I want to talk about in this tutorial. In the next tutorial we're going to explore some more elements.